Hello viewers, so are you wondering on how you can solve this maths problem? So worry not, I want us to work it out within the shortest time possible. So don't go away and watch it up to the end. So let's start with the solution. So now we shall have 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a is equals to 32. Now, so I will give you the shortest method or the shortest trick that can work best for you. So here now, since 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a is common, we shall now have to factorize it by working it out by saying now we shall have 2 to the power of a into the bracket 1 plus 1 close the bracket is equals to 32. Because when we now factorize it the way we've done, we shall end up with 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a. So let's work out the number inside the bracket. Now we shall have 1 plus 1, that is 2, is equals to 32. So from there we shall now choose to divide both sides by 2. This side also by 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel. Now 2 to the power of a is equals to 2 here once 2 into 32, 16. So now we shall have 16. So in this case now we shall now choose to change 16 to 2. 2 is a base, a is an index, so 16 is a whole number. So what 2 equivalent to which power of 16 equivalent to 2? Now suppose you have 2 multiplied by 2, we shall end up with 4. Then 4 multiplied by 2, we shall end up with 8. Then 8 multiplied by 2, we shall now end up with 16. So how many 2 do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in short now we shall now say that 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16. Now so that to mean that here now instead of writing 16 we can as well write 2 to the power of 4. So meaning that now we shall have 2 to the power of a is equals to now 2 to the power of 4. So let's now avoid the basis. Let's now use the index. So in this case now our a equals to, so now our a is equals to 4. So let's now confirm or check if indeed we are correct. So this one was where we had our maths problem. So we had 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a is equals to 32. So we've said that instead of writing a, you just replicate it with 4. So now we shall now have 2 to the power of 4 plus 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 32. So we've said that 2 to the power of 4 is 16. In this case, we have worked it out and got it as 16. So meaning that now we shall now have 16 plus 16 here. So 16 plus 16 equivalent to 32. So what is 16 plus 16? Is 32 is equals to 32. So it means that we are very correct when we say now that our value for a, in this case a is equals to 4. So if you really loved how we worked it out, please kindly subscribe to our channel and also support our channel. So otherwise let's stop there and see you in our next video.